It is finally departure day. Today I've been working so hard towards. This morning I was biking around in the city getting some Turkish money from Linda, and Melissa printed some like passport copies for me. So now I'm going to wake up Wendy because she slept over and she's still sleeping.
Wakker worden. Oh ja, elke Wendy bent echt een keg. Wil je ontbijt? Ze maakt ontbijt voor je.
Sleep yet. Leaving the house in 3 hours and I'm still packing.
Ja, hij was mooi.
Okay, I got through passport control and through the whole security stuff and the check-in. I got my luggage checked in for free. I'm so red right now, but I think because I have so much layers on. Oh, now I'm hurrying to the gate. It closed. I mean, they started boarding a few. Oh my god, I was tripping. I was looking at my screen and I just saw these heads and I was like, is someone walking next to me? What is happening? But I'm running to the gate right now because they already started boarding like 15 minutes ago. Always late, but I was saying goodbye to my family. I am so excited for this week. It is beef tagine. And then it was time to journal in my new book. It's a book I designed myself. It's actually for travelers, so this is what it looks like. And then on the first page, you can write your name and details in case you lose it. It's actually half journal, so you can write your thoughts here. The other half is like a friend book. You can give it to people you meet while traveling, and they can put their personal information like date of birth, how you met each other, and a little message to you. And we arrived in Morocco. Pretty warm. And I'm so tired. Okay, I just almost forgot my bag. I just ran off without my bag. And then before I wanted to step in the car, I was like, oh shit, I forgot my bag. But I got it now. And now I'm getting a ride to my hostel. Hopefully I got everything. Almost. Just got dropped off. We are looking for my hostel right now. No idea where it is. I'm so glad I got dropped off.